to become the third governor for Twitch State. Also, I need to congratulate His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Salva Kiir Mayardit, for his wise decision for signing revitalized peace agreement in Khartoum and Addis Ababa in case to end senseless war in South Sudan. Congratulations, our President. Our community of Twitch Mayardit today, I have been brought to Turale, the former Twitch County, which is the Turale County currently, as a commissioner for Turale. I know our community, they have been divided in quite a long time for the issue of the capital of Twitch State. Yesterday, during our swearing-in ceremony, our governor, Atim Madudia, told us as the new commissioners, as the new advisors, as the new ministers, as the new head of commission and deputy commissions, that you people, you the new young government of Twitch State today, when the president appointed me and I took hold of the office, he told me, you governors, three of you are the governors of the peace. Also, I need to tell you guys today that you are the cabinet of peace and we need to follow peace in Twitch, all to make sure Twitch is in peace and harmony without a problem. Also, our president and our governor, both of them, they spoke language of peace. Also, us, we need to speak also the language of peace, not the language of divide, to divide our people. We need to bring reconciliation between citizens. Our community, particularly the community of Turale, yesterday our governor told us as the old government of Twitch State, please inform your people not to talk about the issue of the capital again. The issue of the capital has gone to the higher level. It has gone to Juba, to Council of State and Presidency. So nobody will talk about it again because it is the government of national unity of South Sudan to decide either to bring the state to Turale or leave it in Mayana-Boom. That is not a decision of Twitch State again or Twitch citizen or community to talk about it. Our people, I need to tell you, we have to trust our president. Salva Kiir Mayardit is a wise president. He's going to study all the papers and he's going to come up with the right choice, which will be the final for all Twitch community. So I beg you, everybody should remain calm and we wait for the result from our president and Council of State, not in Twitch again. So my word to you as the new commissioner for Turale, I need everybody to be patient and wait for leadership of the country to make decision. The decision of Twitch community is already over. The decision of everybody in Twitch is already over. So I need to tell you that all of us, we need to look ourselves as the Twitch community, brothers, sisters, and everybody. We are not going to see ourselves enemies, because I know this issue has divided our community for quite a long time, and it has made a trauma in our mind. Please, my people, let we wait and see the final result. Today in Tweed, nobody is celebrating the decision because we are not the final decision. So I want to tell you, you wait for the final decision. We need to rebuild our county. Let we speak, all of us, about the development, about the prosperity of our people, unity of our people. Let we rebuild the trust for our lovely party, SPLM. Let we stand with the SPLM in any circumstances. I know SPLM is being